Hey there! Are you looking for a rewarding career in accountancy? Welcome to Guardians Training, your pathway to a rewarding accountancy career. Our unique program, designed by qualified accountants, offers real-world insights into the accounting profession. Experience hands-on training in bookkeeping and VAT return, payroll, and more, setting you apart from the rest. But that's not all. Master popular accounting software like Sage, Quickbooks, Advanced Excel, and Xero, staying ahead with cutting-edge training. Boost your employability with CV and interview preparations, plus job hunting support. Your success is our priority. Whether you prefer the convenience of online courses or the engaging classroom environment, Guardians Training has got you covered. Explore paths to success and gain valuable work experience with us. Contact Guardians Training now.